According to latest media reports, the 6 diesel-electric submarines on the Project 75I program will not be fitted with an indigenous air-independent propulsion system, as the Indian Navy will import the AIP technology from a foreign vendor. India's Defence Research and Development Organisation has said that the indigenous system will be fully ready by 2024 and will be installed on the 6 Scorpion-class submarines. The selection of the foreign-made AIP system will depend on the selection of the submarine type, and the French firm Naval Group is considered to be the current frontrunner in the program. The Indian Army has issued a request for information to procure 198 wheeled armoured fighting vehicles for reconnaissance and support to tank regiments during mechanized operations. The vehicles should have a service life of 32 years, and it should have a payload capacity of at least 2 tons, and should be transportable by C-17. The wheeled armoured fighting vehicles should also have 2 long-range anti-tank guided systems with a range of 4 kilometers. The Indian Army has invited responses to its request from Indian vendors, who have tied up with foreign original equipment manufacturers. Saab wants control of local manufacturing of 114 fighter jets in India, if it beats Boeing and Lockheed Martin in the $18 billion MMRCA competition for the world's biggest fighter jet contract. The chief executive officer of Saab has said that Saab faces a requirement that at least 85% of the fighter jets should be built locally in partnership with Indian firms, and if a foreign company is asked to take responsibility for quality, time, cost and capability, the company would also want to have some sort of control over the program. The Philippine Army Defense Expo has displayed a mock of the land-based BrahMos supersonic system, and as per latest reports, the acquisition project with India is in final stages, which is planned to be in service by 2024. India will make the transition to the new next-generation BrahMos from 2025, due to which India is aiming to export the BrahMos to other countries like United Arab Emirates, Vietnam and some South American countries. India is also working to develop Mach 7 capable hypersonic BrahMos system with Russia, which will be ready for testing by 2020. A major combat exercise being conducted by the 1st Strike Corps of the Indian Army has concluded, and the exercise was marked by the collective test of a large number of newly inducted equipment and technology along the Western Front. Nearly 40,000 troops, 700 armored vehicles and 300 artillery systems, drones and EW systems took part in the exercise, along with the support of the Indian Air Force. The joint venture of Tata and Lockheed Martin is geared up to roll out the first F-16 wing by October 2020 from its Hyderabad facility. The company is currently building the prototype for the wings of the aircraft, and the joint venture firm will be roping in micro, small and medium enterprises to supply structural components such as wiring and harnesses.